quite late in the day and we're getting a late start on doing anything except just hanging out. And we are gonna go to my parents' house in a little bit and have dinner. Tim's having a flight lesson tonight, so he's not gonna be around until like way later. And I just want to share a little bit of a funny story. So this morning, Kaya was quite clingy to me and wouldn't really let me do anything without holding her. I was still wearing my pajama pants and she was pulling on them and tore a huge hole in the tush. So needless to say, I'm quite upset because they are like my favorite penguin pajama pants and they're so comfy and I just busted them out for the season. But I've had them since like high school, so they're like beyond 10 years old. But it was just really funny because it's not the first time my pants have ripped in the butt area. But anyways, that's my funny story that you probably don't care about. Ready for a surprise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want us to keep it here or do you want it?
Can I have it?
Oh, yeah, that's size, right?
Where do you want to put that?
Up there?
Okay.
What about in your new big boy room?
You big boy room.
Just what?
Yay!
In Kaya's room? How about Kaya's bedroom?
In your big boy room? Okay.
That was a fun flight. I got to watch the sunset and the moon is full moon over there. The air was totally still, very clear night. A lot of fun. Now I just got to put this thing away.
Kaya, how are you doing? Oh, I think you're pooping. Okay. Timmy's riding his bike. We just got home. Are you getting ready for bed? You're looking at yourself. Hi. You just took a nice bath, huh? And you're gonna go night-night? Yeah? You're so tired. Yeah, you're so tired. What are you gonna say?
Uh-oh.
What's uh-oh?
Hey, Gaga.
Yeah?
Gaga.
Yeah. Nana, Kaya. Nana, Kaya. You're trying to escape. No. Can you see Mommy? Are you vlogging Mommy?
Yep.
This little boy is fit for a king. He is getting his feet lotioned and massaged before bed. Is that funny?
Yep.
Are you vlogging?
So,
Oh, your feet are so dry. My little buddy. Now what do you see?
you and me.
Did you just turn it back on?
Yeah.
I think you did.
I didn't leave back on for you.
Yeah. And I kissing this one. Mwah. Are you vlogging, Mommy? Kiss your toes.
Yep.
Mwah. You know, Mommy used to not like feet at all. I didn't want anybody's feet anywhere near me. To smell them? You just took a bath. They smell good. You don't have stinky feet right now.
I do have stinky
Nuh-uh. Mwah.
feet. I do have stinky feet.
You're funny. Alright, let's turn off the camera so we can snuggle.
I can see myself.
I know, I can see you too. So, what do you want to talk about?
Racing dark.
Well, what were we going to tell everybody? You remember what we were going to tell everybody?
I want to talk about some
What are we doing tomorrow? And quiet. Quiet race cars. Tell everybody where we're going tomorrow. No, they can't hear you. Gotta talk louder.
I don't do baby bound. And then the door.
And then
The door. And then do baby bound. And then back home.
yeah, what are we gonna do at your school?
See my friend.
And meet your... Who are we gonna meet?
My friend.
Are we gonna meet your teacher?
Yep.
And what are we gonna bring her?
Juice.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna share it with my friend.
Yeah, and you're gonna share toys with your friends?
Yep.
Yep. So tomorrow is preschool orientation. So we just go for a half hour, visit the class, see the teacher, and all that. His preschool, actually, the location got switched. So we're actually at like the recreation facility, like gymnastics gym thing. So I don't really know how pleased I'm going to be about that, because I would prefer him to be in a classroom setting. So we might end up doing 8 weeks at this facility, and then we might try and switch him into a different preschool program somewhere, but I haven't really been like too enthused with all the preschool programs in this town, which is kind of a downfall of being a previous preschool teacher. I have really high expectations, but I guess I have to lower them, which I shouldn't have to do. I just wish that we could afford the $20,000 a year tuition for the super nice private school around here. You gonna tell everybody night-night? Are you giving kisses? Who's this kiss for?
You.
Oh, thank you. Tell everybody to give it... Yeah, what do you think?
Themselves.
And?
Dives.
And we'll see you.
Tomorrow.
Do you want to do Ollie? Do bye boop?
Bye. Boop.
No, wait, you gotta do bye now boop. Boop. Say boop. You gotta say boop. Alright, he's not very good at the bye boop, but he always asks to do it.
Boop.
But no, bye. Now boop. Now boop. Boop.